Greetings, my fellow LEGO fans. Welcome back to my channel. It's Halloween, night of ghosts and ghouls and monsters and everything creepy and weird and strange and scary is coming out. So, be careful out there. Yeah, and of course, what would Halloween be without a nice Halloween build? Pretty boring, I guess. So, here's a nice set. Last year I showed you the cool little Frankenstein brickhead. You can see it here. I had a lot of fun making this video, so go check it out. This year I'll take it a bit easier, and we have a rather sweet set again. Not directly something like monster, anything like that. No, we go to the animal world with an owl. Yeah, it looks a bit, well, angry, grumpy, whatever, and has two nice pumpkins. And as we all know, the of an owl can be pretty scary. But those creatures are just amazing. They are smart, they are silent, except for whoo, and they can turn their head pretty far. Really fantastic creatures, and this year LEGO gives us a nice Halloween owl. Yeah, I would say, let's open the box and have a look inside. Yeah, and here's what's inside the box. As always, we get a little manual, 3 bags with all the pieces. I'll just open all at once, throw out the pieces, and then we'll have a look at them. And this set, of course, comes without stickers, not like this huge house with 8 stickers on it. Well, but little spider is happy. So yeah, and I would say, let's open the bags and have a look at the pieces. So here are all the pieces. Here's the big stuff. Got some of those quarter round plates for the base, and those round bricks, curved bricks, modified bricks, whatever they are called, in nice violet or purple or whatever the color is called. We also have some pieces in rather strange colors for a build like that. Don't know what will happen with those, but we'll see. And yeah, anything special. Of course, we got some ball joints for the wings. That's really nice. Some brown leaf pieces. And these, don't know what they are called. Look really cool. And of course, printed pieces. They're all size. The unbelievable generosity of LEGO. So yeah, and I would say, with all the pieces spread out, and Eric looking over my shoulder, I would say we're good to go. So let's start the build. Yeah, just a little intermission. I need to show you this cute little bed inside the base, just like the carrot in the Easter Bunny set. Here we have a little bed, but if I don't show it now, you will never see it, because it's gonna be hidden in there for as long as the build isn't taken apart. So, oh, here's the little bed, and now say bye bye bed. Yeah, and here we have our finished Halloween owl sitting in the pumpkin field. Really cool. You can also turn it around. Would be cool if the head would turn. Yeah, really a nice build. Looks really cool when it's finished. During the build, it's partly a bit strange how many colors you can put into such a little animal, and I don't know why you have to put pink inside and green on pink and medium azure, I think, and turquoise, and don't know. I get it, you put a blue brick in front and a red one in the back, so that kids know during the build where the front side and what the back side is. But it says 8+. 8-year-olds are smart enough to understand that you think they are completely stupid, so cut it out. It looks more like an attempt to keep kids from building something else with the pieces, because they just get a bunch of colorful weird bricks, and yeah, just strange. And what I also don't get is inside the pumpkins we have the modified bricks with studs nearly all around in white. I'm not sure in which colors they come already, but I could imagine that they at least wouldn't shine through as much. And yeah, the ball joints in light bluish gray and dark bluish gray, we are used to it. Overall 10 brown, dark brown and black, everything is okay. The beak is really cool in light orange. Yeah, there are some light bluish gray plates directly under the chest of the owl. Don't get why those aren't 10, just 1x2 standard plates. They come in 10 too, so I don't get it. If you look closely, you can see the gray through here. Maybe see the bit, not really. Yeah, never mind. But it's just not necessary. I don't get it. But overall, a really cool owl. And yeah, that's it for this year's Halloween build. Everything okay, Eric? Yeah. Great. He's happy too, I guess. At least he's smiling, like all the time. Really happy guy. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll get a nice place here between Spidey and the haunted house. We'll see where we put them. And yeah, as I said, that's it for this video. Be careful out there. Spooky stuff going on. And if you enjoy my videos, it would be really cool if you subscribe to my channel. And if you're curious what will come up next and want to be informed when something new is happening, you could also hit the bell button. Ding ding, and YouTube should inform you when a new video is up. So, we'll see. Are we done? Yeah? Okay, great. We're done. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.